I told you guys I'm gonna be doing my clashes, but unfortunately fana macho andinayo nasa bazawe ma clash ndine one theater ni yari kuthola yini. I'm gonna do something about it. I think I have to do something about it. Anyways, this is a story for another day. I've got Jazz Spiker in the building. Jana Chief Ngoma. What's happening, Jazz Spiker? How you doing, man? I say my mix.
My mix is
good and down again. Jazz Spiker on Boogie and the Papa.
Jazz Spiker on Boogie and the Papa the Kwaboka Fidelity.
It's all. Samanora Mango Mappy Jazz Spiker.
Jazz Spiker was in time.
Oh, you. You always go in dance.
I was in dance.
But you cut a clash in dance.
Oh, I know Buramba clash. You told that. I don't Buramba clash. Clash is told that.
Come on, don't pay it.
I told that.
Icho. Spiker to the fullest. Anyways, Spiker, for the purposes of don't know what is Jazz Spiker Jan, was meant to Jazz Spiker. You go back a brief description of Jazz Spiker and Makuraka team common because you need to go out of one opinion.
Right. Nini ndinonzi Vincent Chikepe ndo feti nemi yangu. Kumusha kwangu kuboyera. Ndo ndakakurira. Tongoti je music ndakazitanga
DJ Sigabi.